Good morning, students. Today we will continue discussing exercise 2b. So today we will start question number 8, that is, by what number should minus 3 by 2 whole power minus 3 be multiplied so that the product is 9 by 8 whole power minus 2. So what number should be multiplied with this so that the product is this? So let's start the solution. So let the number be x. So according to the question, it is given that if we multiply minus 3 by 2 whole power minus 3 with x, with that number, the product is this. So we have considered the number as x, and if we multiply x with this given number, the product is this. So therefore, according to the law of transposition, when we send this number to the other side, it becomes divide. So therefore 9 by 8 whole power minus 2 divides minus 3 by 2 whole power minus 3. So if we interchange, if 8 goes up and 9 comes down, then the power becomes positive. And similarly here also, if 2 goes up and minus 3 comes down, the power becomes positive, that is 3. So therefore 8 by 9 square, that is 8 square means 64, and 9 square it is 81. Similarly 2 cube it is 8, and minus 3 cube it becomes minus 27. Now if we change this division sign to the multiplication sign, again this is the reverse, that is the denominator goes up and the numerator comes down. So that is the step that we have written here, that is 64 divided by 81 into, when we change the division sign to the multiplication sign, so it is reversed, so it becomes minus 27 by 8. So if we cancel 8, that's 64, 8 is the 64, so 8 remains here, again 27, again 3, so 3 remains here, and this is minus 1. So therefore 8 into minus 1 minus 8 and divided by 3. So hence the required number is minus 8 by 3, because this is the value of x, so therefore x is equals to minus 8 by 3. So question number 9, by what number should 5 by 4 whole power minus 2 be divided so that the quotient obtained is this? So this you have to do it by yourself, so try this one. It is in similar manner, we have to consider as x, form the equation, then solve and find the value of x. So let's move to question number 10. We need to simplify and express the result as power of 5. First we need to simplify this, and after simplifying we need to express the result as powers of 5, as power of 5. So this is the question. So therefore minus 2 by 5 whole power minus 7 into minus 2 by 5 whole power 9 divides minus 2 by 5 whole square. So as we can see, the base is same in all the cases, the base is same. So therefore when the base is same and it is multiplied, then the powers are added. So therefore this is the lot, if a by b m whole power m into a by b whole power n, so a by b m plus n, so therefore the powers are added, so therefore minus 7 plus 9. So again divides, so this remains as it is, minus 2 by 5 whole square. So this is minus 2 by 5 minus 7 plus 9, it is square, divides minus 2 by 5 whole square. Now again you see the base is same in both the case, so we need to subtract the power since it is division. So this is the law that we have used here, that a by b whole power m divides a by b whole power n equals a by b m minus n. So that means we have subtracted the power. So therefore minus 2 by 5 whole power 2 minus 2. So this is 0, and any number raised to 0 is equals to 1. We know that any number, if the power is 0, so it can be written as 1, and 1, so we can write again it as 5 to the power 0, since we need to express in the question, we are asked to express in the powers of 5. So therefore we can write as a 5 to the power 0, because 5 to the power 0 is equals, the value is 1, so therefore in place of 1 we can write 5 to the power 0, since 1 is equal to a to the power 0. This is the law that we have used here. Now let's move to question number 11. So we will be solving question number 11, Roman number 2. We need to simplify. So it is given in question number 11, Roman number 2, that 2 to the power minus 1 divides 5 to the power minus 1 whole square into minus 5 by 8 whole power minus 2. So this 2 to the power minus 1, the power is minus 1, so therefore we can write 1 by 2 divides 5 to the power minus 1, that means inverse, so therefore we can write as 1 by 5 whole square into 8 by minus 5. We have written 8 by minus 5 because we have interchanged the numbers so that the exponent becomes positive. So therefore 8 by minus 5, it becomes 2 whole power 2. So this is the law that we have used. That means since we have, so if we have interchanged this one, so it becomes like this. So a by b whole power minus m is equals to b by a m. So this is the law that we have used in this case. Okay, then 1 by 2, this division sign again becomes multiplication, then this is interchange, that is 1 by 5 becomes 5 by 1 whole square into this 8 square is 64 and minus 5 whole square is equals to 25. So therefore this 1 into 5, 5, so 2 ones are 2, therefore 5 by 2 whole square into 64 by 25. Again 5 square is 25, 2 square is 4 into 64 by 25. So after cancelling we get 16. So 16 is the required answer. So now take us a note on the scientific notation. How to represent a number when it is given, how to represent a number in a scientific notation when it is given in standard form. A number is said to be in a scientific notation if it is expressed as a product of a number between 1 and 10 and the integral power of 10. A number is said to be in the scientific notation if it is any standard number is given. So, and if you are asked to make it in scientific notation, that means we have to write in this form, that is x into 10 to the power n. So what is the x in this case? So this x is the value between 1 and 10. So x must not be greater than 10 and less than 1. So therefore the value of x lies between 1 and 10 into multiplied by 10 to the power n. So n is any number, so 10 to the power n. So this is the form, that is scientific notation. Okay, so let's understand with an example. So it is given 0.0000061, that means 6 zeros are there. We are asked to convert it into a scientific notation. So this is given in standard form and we are asked to convert it in scientific notation. So this, that means this point, this decimal point from here we have to shift here, then it becomes 6.1. okay, so that is the value of x will be between 6.1, it lies between 1 and 10. So therefore this decimal point we have to shift here, that is 6.1. If we shift here 6.1, the denominator becomes like this, that is 0 0 0, again 0 0 0, 7 zeros are there. Okay, so the decimal, already 6 zeros are there, and since the decimal, this part, since the decimal point is again shift to again one place apart from the 6 zeros, so therefore we have to divide by 7 zeros. So therefore it becomes 6.1 whole divided by 10 to the power 7. So it becomes 6.1 into 10 to the power minus 7. Okay, 6.1 into 10 to the power minus 7. So that means how many zeros are there? 1 2 3 4 5 6, again one extra zero we have to add, that means it becomes 7. So minus 7. So again let's take another one example. It is given 0.00312. So this decimal point we have to shift here. So when we shift this decimal point here, it becomes 3.12 and 10 to the power minus 3. Why 10 to the power minus 3? Because we have shifted 3 places, 1 2 3, so therefore 10 to the power minus 3. Okay, as earlier also, as you can see, since we have shifted the decimal places up to how many places, this decimal point up to how many places, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, up to 7 places, so therefore we have written 10 to the power minus 7. And here we have shifted up to 3 places, 1 2 3, so therefore 3.12. we cannot write 31.2, we can shift only 3.12 because this is the value of x and it has to lie between 1 and 10, so 3.12 it lies between 1 and 10. Okay, so let's move to question number 12. So it is asked to convert the following numbers which are in standard form in scientific notation, that is 0.0002. so this decimal point we have to shift here, so therefore 2 into how many places, 1 2 3 4 5, so therefore 10 to the power minus 5. Similarly question number 2, 0.00000542, these decimal places we have to shift here, it will become 5.42, so 5.42 and how many places, 1 2 3 4 5 6, therefore 10 to the power minus 6. So in this similar manner we will do question number 3 and 4. So these are the answers. So question number 3, it is 9.3 into 10 to the power minus 8, and 4 it is 3.142 into 10 to the power minus 3. So that's all for today. So remaining questions we'll discuss in the next class. Thank you.